Adding headers to your product pages may help with search engine optimization and may help your product pages look better. Right now I'm just on a product page. If you don't know how to get there, you go in products on the left hand side and then you would click the product you want to go into the product page for. And right now I'm going to show you what this currently looks like on my product page that would show up on my website. So I have it loaded up here. So this is what my description currently looks like. It may look a little different on your website because it depends on what Shopify theme you have, but it will be kind of a standard size of text. You know, nothing too large, nothing too small. So I'm going to go back into our product page where you can edit it, and I'm going to show you the different header sizes that you can use. And it is believed that adding the headers does help with your search engine optimization. So it would help to say what's on this page in a header to let search engines know what's on your page more easily, if that makes sense. And sometimes helps your users figure out what your page is about more easily as well. So I'm going to type in red anchor thread. And then after it, I'm just going to put in header 1 so that way we know what the different sizes are. You would hit this drop down for formatting and see I'm going to select header 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to make one for all of these just so you can kind of see what the different sizes are. Okay, I have header 1 through 6 typed out and I'm just going to highlight them just so you have an idea of what I'm doing here. I'm just going to select those different header sizes for the one corresponding with what I have typed. And now I'm going to hit preview. So now we can see here the different header sizes. So header 1 you'll see is quite large, which they do say that header 1 would help your search engine optimization the most. Sometimes I feel like it's a little bit too big where it takes up too much space on the page. So a lot of times I'd like to use maybe the header 2, but it might not be as good for search engines as if you did use header 1. And then we'll see each one is getting a little smaller and a little smaller, and header 6 is pretty much the same size as the standard description text, but just a little bit bolder. And really, it's as simple as that. All you do is highlight what you want to change, go up here, click what you want it to be, and it'll change it for you. And once you have it the way you like it, just make sure you hit save in the top right corner.